Hi, Michael Loaiza here, filmmaker and sometimes chef. Today we're going to be making some delicious, nutritious, healthy, child favorite treats. Starting with some crispy, pasture-raised chicken wings, courtesy of US Wellness Meats. We have these beautiful chicken wings. And as a side to accommodate these beautiful pasture-raised chicken wings, courtesy of US Wellness Meats, we're going to make sweet potato wedges, crispy as could be, coated in some tomato paste and Dijon mustard, and tons of herbs and spices and seasoning. Let's get started on that right now. So we have our sweet potato wedges. We're going to cut them in quarters. We want them nice and big because the way we're going to do this, the skin is going to actually, well, there's going to be a crust around this and they're going to be puffy and light and airy on the inside, and outside it's going to be like this crispy, delicious skin that you could basically think that they were fried, and they're not. They're going to be baked. So that is awesome. Quartered and into the bowl. And I like to do at least one potato per person. But I mean, in reality, people can eat definitely 2 potatoes easily when they're like this. So I would make 2 potatoes per person just to be safe. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are very high in vitamin A, beta carotene. That's what gives it its beautiful pigment. And they're very, very healthy for you. And they're delicious and they're sweet. A little cinnamon, so good, so good. So now that we have our sweet potato wedges quartered, we have our wings already nice and dry. So this way there's not a lot of moisture on them. They can absorb our coating. We are going to coat them in our tomato paste and spicy Dijon mustard. It's going to give a really nice flavor. I'm going to do a healthy heaping tablespoon of spicy Dijon mustard into our chicken wings. I'm going to do one into our sweet potatoes as well. We're going to do this beautiful, I'm almost speechless. This tomato paste is so good. When you buy tomato paste, try and get it in glass opposed to aluminum cans. You'll taste the flavor. This you can just literally eat by the spoonful. It's so delicious. So a heaping tablespoon of that in our sweet potatoes and a heaping tablespoon into our chicken wings. So you want to get them coated real nicely because this is what's going to make our crust. Believe it or not, you do not need eggs for this. Sweet potatoes, now we're gonna do our chicken. Usually everyone thinks they need some sort of egg to bind and to make a coating, but with this, it magically does not need it. So now we're gonna add our dry ingredients to our potato wedges and to our pasture-raised chicken wings. This is easy, it's not rocket science. It's literally everything that you got in the kitchen cupboard. Black pepper, and we're seasoning both our sweet potatoes and our chicken wings with the exact same seasoning. So we got some pink salt. We have an important ingredient because this, I believe, this is, I guess, what you would say is Michael's part of his secret recipe ingredient. This is unfortified nutritional yeast packed with B vitamins, zinc, niacin, manganese, all different things. But more importantly, well, not more importantly, but it does add this delicious crust of just nutrition that makes it so crispy. So we're gonna add a pretty hefty amount. This is probably about 1/4 cup. We're definitely gonna probably use almost this whole thing between the two. This is wild oregano from Greece, and it just smells euphoric. The spice, you can just smell the antibiotic principles of it just in its aromatic scent. Same with rosemary. This rosemary is something else, and it's great for your upper respiratory system. Garlic powder, granulated garlic powder. You can't really overdo garlic and onion powder. It's just gonna make a very, very nice coat. Onion powder, paprika, beautiful. So now we're gonna mix these together and get our hands messy once again. Then we're gonna put them on our baking sheet and pop them in the oven at 450 degrees for about 40 minutes. Varies on your oven, but you'll see once they start to get nice, crispy, golden brown, and then they'll be done. And you'll be waiting to get your hands and mouth on these when you see them. Trust me, just wait, just wait. My mom loves blue cheese with her wings, so we're gonna make a quick blue cheese, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to do so. So I have some crumbled buffalo blue cheese right in here that I crumbled myself.
That is raw.
It is raw. It's 100% raw. Always raw cheese. That's the way it's naturally meant to be. I'm going to squeeze a nice juicy wedge of lemon into here. It's okay if seeds drop. Whoever gets to see it gets to do the dishes. 2 tablespoons of lapna. It is delicious and it makes an excellent blue cheese. So we're gonna mix these together in here. About a tablespoon apple cider vinegar. We're gonna do some oregano and some rosemary. We're gonna do some black pepper, a little cayenne. We don't need salt because it's gonna be relatively salty from the cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, and last but not least, the most simple of ingredients, a little bit of reverse osmosis water. About a tablespoon of water. Focus, there we go. In no time, we just made a healthy and nutritious and full flavor blue cheese dressing for our wings and our sweet potato wedges. And it looks like they're just about to be done. So let's get them out of the oven and do a taste. I'm excited. Look at these crispy guys.
You got the hiccups?
It's time to do a wing test. You can hear the crunch, the crisp, the crust. We got our blue cheese. You know, it's funny, they taste like they were brine, soaked in the salt solution for a couple hours to retain moisture, but we didn't do that. We literally just opened them, dried them, and coated them in the wet and then dry, and it was just easy. They're so moist, so crispy, so juicy. The blue cheese, nice and tangy. Wow, you can hear it. Deliciousness. Sweet potato taste. I'm gonna do a little cinnamon because we forgot to put it in our dry ingredient. Cinnamon I usually do on here, but it's okay. What a crust that formed on here. So sweet, crispy. They taste like they'd be fried because they're so crispy. You can hear the crunch. Well, hopefully you can. It's very good. These wings, these sweet potato wedges are so worth making for you and your family. They're healthy, they're nutritious, they're quick and easy.
And the kids will love it.
And the kids will love it. And what's more important than feeding your kids nutritionally dense, healthy foods? I don't want to stop eating these guys. Look at this. Pasture-raised chicken wings. Nothing like it. Thank you, U.S. Wellness Meats. Dinner time. Dinner time. Ring the chicken bell. Ring the chicken bell.
Hi, darling. Where are you? You've been calling me all day. Call me. Make my day. Love you.
Make my heart a wreck, and you make my
Hello?
life a mess.